Dan and his family live in a typical suburban neighborhood. He has just done something that has changed the lives of his family. Dan bought a Roku Smart soundbar for their living room TV. Within minutes, he effortlessly transformed his family's TV with premium audio.
Sweet.
Now his family can enjoy exceptional sound,
Hit it.
dynamic bass, and crisp, clear dialogue.
There's a situation.
If it matters to you, I can do it.
But premium sound isn't the only thing Dan's family loves about their Roku Smart soundbar. It also came with America's #1 TV streaming platform built in.
Play NBC Sports.
Now they enjoy live TV, hit movies, and more.
Gosh, don't cops run red lights?
Well, yes, some do. But, not your dad.
But he didn't stop there. Dan added one more thing.
Yes, I did.
Well done, Dan. Well done.
Hi everyone! If you're having audio connectivity issues with your soundbar, we are here to help. Follow these quick and easy steps to troubleshoot what may be going on with your soundbar and subwoofer. First, let's check to make sure your soundbar is properly plugged into your TV. Make sure the high-speed HDMI cable is plugged into the HDMI out port on the soundbar. And the other end is plugged into the eARC/ARC port of the TV. And just as a reminder, your TV should be on. If you are still experiencing issues, you can run an AC power cycle for your soundbar and subwoofer. Simply unplug the power cables to both your soundbar and sub for 1 minute, then plug them back in. Once plugged back in, turn on the system like you normally would and play a TV show, movie, or song to ensure the audio is coming through correctly. If you're having trouble with your subwoofer disconnecting or having some distortion, you may want to test your subwoofer connection. You can test this by pressing Home on your remote. Selecting Setup in the top right corner of the home screen, System Settings, and then Wireless Subwoofer Connection. Here, you can customize your subwoofer transmission settings. Audio interference ranges from home to home, so you may need to do a little trial and error to see what settings work best for you. Under RF band, you can choose from 3 frequency band options. Under RF channel, you can select from 3 different channels. So if you are finding your subwoofers having connectivity issues, here you can run through 6 different options to see what works best for your subwoofer. You can also test your subwoofer's connection with the Secure Link option. First, press the little Secure Link button on the back of the subwoofer. It is the smaller button. The subwoofer light should blink orange. Select Start once the button flashes. Secure Link will then run a connectivity test between the subwoofer and the soundbar. After 10 to 15 seconds, the test will be complete and should resolve any audio drop-off issues. We hope these steps have helped resolve any audio issues you may have been having with your soundbar and subwoofer, so you can enjoy this immersive sound experience. If you're still having issues, please visit sony.com/support for additional help.
TV and speakers no longer have to add clutter to your living room. The slim, understated design of the YAS207 soundbar complements your TV perfectly, giving you back your living room space. And importantly, without compromising your surround sound experience. The YAS207 is the world's first soundbar to include DTS Virtual X technology, bringing you an immersive 3D surround sound experience, including the perception of height for a new level of realism without the complexity of a multi-speaker layout. The Clear Voice feature solves issues of unintelligibility in complex audio tracks by pulling the narration and dialogue to the forefront of the soundscape for easy listening. The slim, understated design is a natural for tabletop placement or can be wall-mounted with its built-in keyholes. The elegant wireless subwoofer provides deep, impactful bass and can be placed anywhere in a room. Listening to your favorite tunes will sound better than ever with Bluetooth streaming and the built-in music enhancer, which restores frequencies lost during digital compression. So your smartphone is now a jukebox in your palm. So set your room up in a perfect balance of beauty and function. High-performance sound delivered with elegance in design. The Yamaha YAS-207 soundbar with DTS Virtual X, bringing your home entertainment experience to new heights.
This one feel good.
Hey, had me right after hello. That's right. We can play it like children play. So if you move to the left, I'm gonna slide to the right.
I don't got a lot of money, but I got a lot of friends now. And my friends, real friends, ain't the type to pretend now.